Good morning from Bologna. Today we're gonna go and check out a very special church, Madonna della Corona. It is unique here in Italy because it sits in mid-air on the side of a mountain. Let's go and check it out. It should be gorgeous. So I reached this little town called Spazzi, and from here it's all by foot. It was a very nice road. Just look at the view from this little mountain town. This is just gorgeous. We need to climb by foot, like the good old pilgrims in the ancient times, because this church is more than 450 years old. Madonna della Corona. This is what you see on the way. If you'd rather climb with an alpaca, you can also do that. But today I'm not gonna take the alpaca up there, no. I'm gonna use the good old legs. This is like a scene from The Lord of the Rings, basically. I guess up we go. Nothing we can do about it. If a 80-year-old pilgrim in the 17th century could do it, of course you and I can do it. Bad news for me. All those stairs don't lead to the church. No, they lead to this bar. So I basically need to go down again and take another route. This is a nightmare. And this is Italy for you, really. No signs, no clear explanation. Can't believe this. Okay. Now we're climbing down. This is quite something. Quite a view. Amazing. It says here no cameras, so I'm gonna use the body camera and shut this one down. Hopefully they won't give me any problems. This is amazing. Look how the church is part rock. All this side of the church is the actual rock of the mountain. This is what you see when you go out. How did they even build this? Let's see what's downstairs. Here under the church, people put photos of their family members, of their loved ones, apparently who passed away. And those are halls filled with pictures. Endless pictures of dead loved ones. And more and more and more photos. Endless photos. Really intense. Here you can light a candle for a dead loved one. And this is the end of this monastery. Wow. Incredible. From here you can take a good look at this monumental building. This place is a must visit. If you're in northern Italy, it is worth the drive. You know, this place just makes me wish I was a monk in the 17th century. Could have been nice. See you in the next one.